Artificial intelligence, AI, continues to revolutionize various sectors, and the world of online money-making is no exception. In 2024, the integration of AI tools and technologies offers unprecedented opportunities for individuals and businesses to generate income online. This video delves into the latest AI trends that are shaping the landscape of online money-making, providing insights and practical tips on how to leverage these advancements for financial gain. AI-powered content creation, AI writing assistants. One of the most significant trends in 2024 is the use of AI writing assistants like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Copy.ai. These tools can generate high-quality content for blogs, websites, social media, and marketing campaigns. They enable users to produce large volumes of content quickly, efficiently, and cost-effectively. With advancements in natural language processing, these tools have become more adept at understanding context and producing human-like text, making them invaluable for content creators and marketers. Blogging and SEO. Use AI writing assistants to generate SEO-friendly blog posts and articles, attracting organic traffic and monetizing through ads and affiliate marketing. Ebooks and courses. Create comprehensive ebooks and online courses with the help of AI tools, then sell them on platforms like Amazon or Udemy. Social media management. Automate social media content creation and scheduling, maintaining a consistent online presence with minimal effort. AI video creation. AI-powered video creation tools like Pictory, Synthesia, and DeepBrain are transforming the way video content is produced. These tools can generate videos from text scripts using AI-generated avatars and voices, or by editing and enhancing raw footage. This trend is particularly beneficial for YouTubers, marketers, and educators looking to create engaging video content without extensive resources. YouTube channels. Use AI video tools to create high-quality YouTube videos on various topics, monetize through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise. Marketing videos. Produce compelling marketing videos for products and services, boosting engagement and sales. Online courses and tutorials. Develop educational videos and tutorials, selling access to these resources on platforms like Teachable or Coursera. AI and e-commerce. AI-driven dropshipping. Dropshipping has been a popular online business model for years, but AI is taking it to new heights. AI tools can analyze market trends, predict popular products, and optimize pricing strategies. They can also automate inventory management, order fulfillment, and customer service, making the dropshipping process more efficient and profitable. Product research. Use AI tools to identify trending products and niches with high demand and low competition. Pricing optimization. Implement AI-driven pricing strategies to maximize profit margins. Automation. Automate repetitive tasks like order processing and customer inquiries, focusing on scaling your business. AI personalization. Personalization is key to successful e-commerce, and AI excels in this area. AI algorithms can analyze customer data to deliver personalized product recommendations, targeted marketing campaigns, and customized shopping experiences. This trend enhances customer satisfaction and increases conversion rates. Personalized marketing. Use AI to create tailored marketing campaigns that resonate with individual customers, improving engagement and sales. Product recommendations. Implement AI-driven recommendation engines on your e-commerce site to suggest products based on customer behavior and preferences. Dynamic content. Utilize AI to deliver dynamic website content that adapts to each visitor's interests and browsing history. AI in financial markets. AI trading. Bots. AI trading bots are becoming increasingly sophisticated, offering individuals and businesses the ability to trade stocks, cryptocurrencies, and other assets with high precision and speed. These bots use machine learning algorithms to analyze market data, identify patterns, and execute trades automatically.